Okay. So we're gonna watch a movie here.
Hey! Hola, Mommy! Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anita Stories. In this video I'm going to show you 8 ways to do slime without glue, without borax, without detergent, without contact lens solution. So I really hope you like them. Please leave a like if you want to see more slime videos and enjoy the video.
Let's like it.
With the Head and Shoulders, so a shampoo with a thick consistency, and I'm using a shower gel. So it's very important that the shower gel is a gel, of course, so it needs to be a gel and a thick shampoo. And I have to say that this is the quickest one because it becomes solid very quickly. As you can see, it's already starting to create the slime. Adding a little bit of salt, be very careful with the salt. And then just keep mixing. Remember to leave a like if you liked this video so far. And as you can see, the slime is starting to come out. It's not sticky, but you still need to put this in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. So I added a little bit. I absolutely love this. I'm going to show you now how it came. As you can see, it really looks like a glue slime, and it's super nice and super fun to play with. And if you follow my instructions carefully, it will work 100%. So you can make your own slime without any glue, without any borax, without any detergent, nail polish and oil. So you will be able to make this amazing slime with get to the mall, shop and without glue. In my channel I make a lot of slime videos, so if you like slimes, please subscribe to my channel and activate the notifications so you won't miss my next slime videos. And please leave a like and a comment if you like this video so that I will make more of them. So you will just need to pour some oil. I'm using olive oil. So the important thing is that there is more oil than nail polish. So I'm using here a glitter nail polish, and I would suggest you to use a glitter nail polish because the effect is really, really nice. But you can use whatever nail polish that you want. So just pour the whole bottle or as much as you want in the oil. Remember, the oil needs to be more than the nail polish. And then you can choose various different colors, or if you want you can mix them or mix them all together. So you can start mixing them. Until you see that the slime starts creating. With the golden nail polish and will create amazing compositions and amazing colors.
with another video today, and today we're gonna make slime. Well, not many people know this, but the first thing that you want to know about slime, excuse me. Slime likod ba? Mana?
I have my channel down there. Maybe I just to the library and watch me. Oh.
Go.
Oh, this is so amazing.
Likod. Likod. Daro slime ah.
Ayaw lagi! Kakapoy, oy!